Hello learners, welcome to Basic 1 Science lesson. My name is Teresa Forson, your natural science facilitator. Our topic for today is grouping objects by texture. Grouping objects by texture. So let's mark our homework. Use the words below to describe the objects below. Use the words below to describe the objects below. So let's look at this pencil compared to this one. This pencil is long. This pencil is long. Please, let's look at this chair. I hope you cannot carry this chair. So this chair is heavy. This chair is heavy. We have a cup. A cup. So this cup is light. This cup is light. Let's look at this pencil compared to this. This pencil is short. So we have a long pencil, a heavy chair, a light cup, and a short pencil. A short pencil. Good. I hope you had everything correct. Good. You've done well. So our topic for today is grouping objects by texture. Grouping objects by texture. So let's observe the pictures we have here. So at the end of the lesson, you will be able to, say two objects we get from materials that are. Say two objects we get from materials that are rough. Rough. Say with me, rough. For the last time, rough. Smooth. Smooth. Sticky. Sticky. Grainy. Grainy. What is texture in materials? What is texture in materials? Texture means how something feels when it is touched. Texture simply means how something feels when it is touched. So we use our hands in touching something. We use our hands in touching something. So you can see the hand touching it. Okay. Examples of material texture are. Examples of material texture are smooth. Smooth. The balloon is smooth when you feel it. When you touch it, you see that the balloon is smooth. rough, rough, rough. Say with me, rough. So let's look at this tree. When you touch this tree, it's rough. It's rough. It can even cut you. It can even cut you. So this tree is rough. We have grainy. Grainy. So when you feel it, it looks grainy. Sticky. Sticky. I hope you have stepped on a chewing gum before. How was it? It was very sticky and difficult to remove. So let's look at the shoe on a chewing gum. It makes it sticky. Smooth and rough materials. Smooth and rough materials. So let's observe the objects. Let's observe the objects. What can you see here? So what can you see? Good. A sack. A sack. So the sack is rough. The sack is rough. Grainy materials. Grainy materials. Examples of grainy materials. Examples of grainy materials. We have sugar. Sugar. When we feel sugar, it's grainy. So the sugar is graining. Let's feel the sugar. The sugar is grainy. I hope you can see it's grainy. Good. Salt. Salt. Let's feel the salt. The salt is very grainy. The salt is very grainy. I hope you can see it. Sand. 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 The sand is very grainy. I hope you can see it. Yes. Good. You've done well. It's very grainy. Gary. 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 So our gari is grainy. Our gari is grainy. I hope you can feel it. Good. Our gari is grainy. Sticky materials. Sticky materials. Sticky materials. So let's observe this picture. Let's observe this picture. This glue is very sticky. The glue is sticky. So let's see how the shoe is difficult to remove. Good. Hope you can see it. Very difficult in removing. So it makes it sticky. Chewing gum. Chewing gum. When you step on chewing gum, it's very sticky. So after chewing your chewing gum, please put it in the dustbin. Our chewing gum is very sticky. Glue. 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 Our glue is very sticky. What do you use glue for? Good. You glue your book with a glue. You glue your book with a glue. Cello tape. Cello tape. Cello tape. So cello tape is also sticky. It's also sticky. In summary, we are grouping objects by texture. We are grouping objects by texture. We have a tree. A tree. Our tree is very rough. Our tree is very rough. When you rub your hand around it, it feels rough. It can even cut you. We have our toilet roll. Our toilet roll. And our glue. Place all rough materials in the box. Place all rough materials in the box. Rough. So we are placing all rough materials in the box. So we have our silver sponge, which is very rough. Our stone, which is very rough. And our duster, which is also very rough. So for our rough materials, we have silver sponge. Say with me, silver sponge. For the last time, silver sponge. Stone. Stone. Say with me, so. For the last time, stone. Duster. Duster. So all these three objects are rough. Place all fruits with smooth surface in the box. Place all fruits with smooth surface in the box. Smooth. Smooth. We have our grapefruit. Our grapefruit, which is smooth. Our pawpaw fruit. Our pawpaw fruit. And our apple fruit. These three fruits are all smooth. They are all smooth. Our grapefruit, pawpaw fruit, and apple fruit. Place all sticky objects in the box. Place all sticky objects in the box. Sticky. Sticky. Say with me, sticky. Okay, we have our chewing gum. Our chewing gum here. Our cello tape here. We have our cello tape. and our glue. So all these three objects are sticky. All these three objects are sticky. Place all grainy objects in the box. Place all grainy objects in the box. Grainy. We have salt. We have our salt here. Sand. Sand. Gari. Gari. Gari is also grainy. So all these three objects are grainy. We have salt, salt, sand, sand, and gari. Gari, they are all grainy. So let's write down our homework. Use the words below to describe the objects below. Use the objects below to describe the objects below. Use the words below to describe the objects below. We have sand. Sand. Glue. Glue. Paper. 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 And a silver sponge. A silver sponge. We have sand, glue, paper, and a silver sponge. So let's go through our words. Rough. Rough. Say with me, rough. For the last time, rough. Grainy. Grainy. Say with me, grainy. For the last time, grainy. Smooth. 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 Sticky. Sticky. So let's copy our homework. We've come to the end of the lesson. Please remember to do your homework. Until we meet again, it's bye.